How does neuroscience explain impulse control? Imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly feel the urge to grab a snack from a vending machine. Or maybe you're about to say something you might regret. Why do we sometimes give in to these urges and other times hold back? Neuroscience has some fascinating answers. At the heart of impulse control are two main parts of the brain working together. One part is like a quick reacting engine that pushes us to act on immediate desires. This includes areas like the amygdala, which processes emotions, and the ventral striatum, which is involved in feeling rewarded. These regions are powered by a chemical messenger called dopamine, which makes us seek out pleasurable experiences. When dopamine levels spike, urges become stronger, making it harder to resist temptation. On the other side is the prefrontal cortex, often called the brain's decision maker. This part helps us think about the future, weigh consequences, and pause before acting. It uses neurotransmitters like serotonin, which helps regulate mood and supports patience and self-control. When the prefrontal cortex is active, it acts like a brake, slowing down impulsive reactions and guiding us toward better choices. The balance between these two systems determines how well we control impulses. When the impulsive system is more active or the prefrontal cortex is weaker, impulsive behaviors tend to take over. This imbalance is common in conditions like addiction or gambling disorder, where the urge to seek immediate reward outweighs long-term benefits. Brain scans show that people with poor impulse control often have less activity in the prefrontal cortex. Instead, they show more activity in the striatum and amygdala. This means their brains are more focused on immediate rewards and less on thinking about future outcomes. Other parts of the brain also influence impulse control. The insula, for example, helps turn physical sensations and emotional feelings into urges. When this area is overactive, resisting impulses becomes more difficult, especially in emotional or addictive situations. Understanding these brain systems can help explain why resisting temptation is sometimes so hard. It also points to ways we can improve self-control, like practicing mindfulness or planning ahead. These strategies strengthen the reflective system, making it easier to pause and choose wisely. Neuroscience keeps revealing how these brain parts work together, giving us practical tools to better manage impulses. This knowledge can help us make decisions that lead to healthier habits and more satisfying lives.